Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The current attendance method, manual sheets and online system goals. Currently, students' attendance is recorded either by passing around a manual sign-in sheet or through an online platform called Goals. While this method works, they have several issues. The issues is it's very time-consuming, disruptive, prone to errors and dishonest practices. In large classes, passing the sheet around takes a lot of time. Using an online system like Goals can disrupt the flow of the lecture. Technical issues like internet, problem device prevent students from signing in. Additionally, absent students may ask their friends to sign for them. This can lead to dishonest practices. Next, impact on teaching and learning. It increases lectures workload and distracts students. These issues not only make it harder for lecturers to manage attendance but also distract both lecturer and student from focusing on teaching and learning. Managing attendance manually or fixing errors takes away valuable time that could be used for teaching or study. The need of improvement. Efficient, reliable and non-intrusive system. There is a clear need for a more efficient and reliable system. The improved system should record attendance accurately without disrupting lecture, reduce opportunity for dishonesty and minimize reliance on students' device or internet. By doing this, we can streamline the attendance process, reduce lectures workload and help students stay focused. Attendance is fundamental in education and organization. Attendance is a basic requirement in any organization, especially in educational institution. It helps lecturers and administrators monitor students' participation and engagement in the learning process. Second, manual attendance is time-consuming and error-prone. Like I said in the introduction before, many institutions still rely on manual methods such as paper, registers, and sign-in sheets. These methods are often time-consuming and can lead up to errors like missed entries or falsified records, making attendance management inefficient, according to Shaw et al. 2022. And next, growing need for efficient digital attendance system. With the availability of digital technology, institutions are now looking for smarter and more efficient ways to manage attendance. Digital solutions can help save time, reduce errors, and improve overall accuracy. And next one, it will improve efficiency, reliability, and classroom flow. This product or system is developed to improve the efficiency and reliability of students' attendance management. It provides a systematic process for lecturers, students, reduce the risk of lost records, minimize paper usage, and prevent disrupting during lecture session, especially those caused by the goal system or device-related issues. And accurate, fast, and user-friendly attendance system. This project aims to deliver a fully functional and user-friendly attendance system within one academic semester. The system is expected to improve attendance accuracy, reduce lecturers' administrative workload, speed up attendance recording, and enhance classroom productivity. Inefficiencies in manual sheets and a goal system. Current attendance methods such as manual sign-in sheet and the goal system online system have several inefficiencies. Manual attendance is time-consuming, especially in large classes. And on the other hand, the goal system can interrupt lecture flows and relies heavily on students having functional devices, stable internet access, and system availability. Second, impact on teaching and learning. It disrupts lectures and increases lecturers' workload. These issues often lead to missed attendance record, technical frustrations, and additional administrative tasks for lecturers. As a result, both students and lecturers are distracted from the teaching and learning process. And next, it's NFC technology improves efficiency and reliability because research shows that implementation NFC technology for attendance tracking can significantly improve the teaching and learning experience. From Muhammad Nasir et al. 2015. NFC allows quick and secure identification, making the attendance process faster and more reliable compared to manual or fully online system. And next, uses items students already carry because the proposed NFC-based system utilizes systems that students already have and bring daily, such as their metric cards and smartphones. This makes the system practical, user-friendly, and easy to adopt without requiring additional equipment or complicated procedures. And the last one, reliable.
Now let's see the design of the projects. Design phase is centered on the development of NFC-based attendance system prototype, addressing the limitation of traditional manual and existing online attendance methods. The design outlines the key features, system structure, criteria for success, and Major deliverables require to achieve an efficient, reliable, and non-intrusive attendance recording the solutions. This project also design provides a solid foundation for the successful implementation and evaluations of the proposed system. Next, we go through the prototype. First thing first for prototype, students as a user once which using the NFC cards to access the attendance. They just use the metric cards and tap the NFC reader with metric card. If the metric card detect, so it's directly sent to the computer, and this computer identifies students ID and informations and sends to the goals database and automatically signs the students attendance in goal system. So lecturer also can see the students attendance via goal systems.
So we go the function of the product system. First, the system overview. The NFC-based attendance system function as a logical and systematic process that capture, validate, and record student attendance automatically. Next, the system process input using predefined logical operation to produce accurate attendance record. Next is main system function. Identify student through NFC, card scanning, validate student identify against the database, record attendance with timestamp automatically, provide attendance reporting and analysis for lecture and administration. Next is operational logic. NFC card tap add as system input. System verify the NFC identifier with store record. Valid identifier trigger attendance recording, and invalid identifier are rejected. Then we go to logical flow and decision making. Each NFC scan is evaluated based on predefined condition. Logical rule ensure only authorized attendance is recorded, reduce human error, and ensure data integrity. The system output is verify and timestamp attendance record. They can attendance summaries and report for academic monitoring, support efficient administrative decision making. Next, we go to the strength and weakness or advantage and disadvantage for this system. First, the advantage of the system is systematic and efficient attendance recording. They can automated attendance capture and reduce manual workload for lectures. Second is they can reduce risk of attendance record loss. Attendance data is stored digitally, ensuring records are preserved and easily accessible. Third is minimize paper usage and save time. They can eliminate paper-based attendance sheet and speed up the attendance process. Next is prevent disruption during lecture session. They allow attendance to be recorded quickly without interrupting teaching activity. Next is addresses device and accessibility issue. They reduce dependence on student personal device and internet connectivity. Next, lastly is eliminate lecture oversight in attendance recording. They can ensure that attendance is consistently recorded without relying on manual update in goal. But despite the strength, there are disadvantages for this system. First is partial dependence on supporting infrastructure. They can system performance depend on NFC reader and hardware availability. Next is initial setup and resource requirement. Require investment in hardware, software, development, and technical expertise. Next is challenge in handling exceptional cases, such as manual intervention may be needed when students forget or damage NFC card. Next is limited integration with existing goal system. The attendance record may not be automatically synchronized with the official platform. Next, data security and privacy risk. The student attendance data must be protected from unauthorized access or misuse. Lastly is user adoption and change management issue. Lecturer and student may require training and time to adapt to the new system. Then we go to difficulties during system development. The first difficulty when system development is technical limitation. NFC hardware compatibility and limited access to device slow testing. Next is system integration. The prototype could not fully sync with Gold platform. Data transfer was manual. Third is data management and security. Ensuring accurate, secure storage of attendance data require extra effort. Next is user adaptation. Some users struggle with the new NFC-based system. Clear instruction were needed. Last is time and expertise constraint. Limited time and technical skill restrict system refinement and feature enhancement.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so over here, this is a system database interface. They cannot be accessed by lecturer, both lecturer or students, because this is the system of database of the students and all classes. And as you can see here, this is the system, the NFC reader system. When this is the list of the students, and over here the status of the students, whether they are late or on time on the classes. So here, the system can detect and check the students whether they are late or on time. For example, if I click on Siti Hawa, yes, they attend the lecture, or Nur Iman, and yes, they late. And if they late, the system will show this yellow icon, and it show that lewat or late. That's overall of the system flow. And over here, this is the lecturer information. They have a course, the lecture of the course, the lecture rooms, and the time. This is how you use it. If the NFC reader is closed, the lecturer can open the session, and after that, only the students can scan their memory card on the NFC, and the lecturer can see the status is they attend the lecture or not, or the students are late. This is overall the system interface on database. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so over here, this.
Now, I will show you the lecture interface of NFC attendance system. As you can see, it has the course name of every courses for every lecture. So lecturer can open and close the sessions. Example, if you open the sessions, the system can detect NFC from students. For example, if Afiq Hakim present to the class, so Afiq Hakim present to the class, it will detect it will show the metric number and the status, the login time. So lecturer can see this all. You can adjust the late status. For example, this the late status is after 10 minutes. You also can adjust 15 minutes or 13 minutes. Okay, then if the students late after 10 minutes, for example, as you can see, the for example, no remands, it's she was late and it's detected after 10 minutes, and the lecturer can see the exact times she came and late. For example, in regions late after 10 minutes. So at the lecturer interface, lecturer can see the students' times, the students' present time at the class, at the lecture session. The lecturer also can close the sessions for students after the classes, or if they want. If lecturer close the session, so students cannot take action of their NFC card. The NFC card reject by system because the lecturer close it, and I will not suggest it because it's also state the late of students, so the close sessions after lecture class. Okay, next we go to the admin interface. Admin interface, they can see the cost. They can see the cost for analysis. They can see the actual students, and they also can see the present and late student and absent students. So it will help the admin to make an analysis to students. For example, you also can save if you want to save the record. For example, if the many students are absent, so you can export them attendance. Just install it. Oh, maybe it can open Word. So you can see the name of students, the sessions, all of the record here, and you can make the analysis or report easily. So I think that's all from me.